Happy, contented little chickies. I just got the run cleaned out. All the old hay. And we got a fresh load in. Picking and scratching at it. Eating whole pieces. It still amazes me to see that. Hey, Mr. Rooster. Hey, Henny Penny. Yeah. Isn't that a good name for the Rhode Island Red hens? Henny Pennies. That's all your name. Henny Pennies. All have the same name. I can kind of tell them apart, but not to the point where I can differentiate each one of them from the other. I mean, they've got subtle differences, but not enough for me to say, hey, that's so-and-so. Not yet. Each day gets easier. Hey, Farrah. Yeah. God, yesterday one of the roosters just pecked her hiney, and it scared her. She went running and missed out on some of the eating festivities. Yeah. Hey, Buff. Yeah, the sun after the rain. Pretty? Really makes you shine. Who's pecking at me? Hi. Hi, Jean. Hey, Jean. What you doing? Yeah. Nice pretty morning. Oh, Farrah's all settled in now. You all settled in? Where's Blackie? Blackie, where'd you go? She must be under the coop. Yeah. Farrah, you're getting prettier and prettier. That tail feathers of yours are getting really pretty. Starting to get longer. Yeah. Oh, maybe you can see his feathers shining in the sun now. You can see the different colors coming out. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. I wish you could see the roosters in person, because they are gorgeous. They're going to be absolutely gorgeous, even more so. Oh, yeah. Let's see. And Raven, go out in the sun so we can see all those pretty purples and greens. Go get in the sun. Go get in the sun. Yeah, there's another roo shining in the sun. Yeah. So far, I think I have 7 roosters where the combs and their wattles are really distinctly bigger than the females. And they're all the same age, so except for the Buffy and Blackie, the big, I don't know if she's a Dominique or what, or if she's just a Barred Rock. Anyway, they're a little bit bigger, but that's a male and female too. So a little easier to tell the difference in who's who. See, and I have a pair, these dark gray ones, they're called blue Cochin Bantams. So I've got a male and female of those. But anyway, so I've got 7 roos to 3 hens so far, exactly. If I'm right on sexing them. But they can be a mystery sometimes. Hey, Maudie, you picking at my shoe? Hey, sweetheart. Hey, sweetie, there's one of my pretty roos. Isn't he pretty? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's Raven in the sun. Let's see. It's not quite showing the purples and greens, though, at that angle. She's getting really pretty. Well, hi, Maudie. Maudie just landed on my arm. Hey, Maudie. Smile. You're on camera. Yeah, that's a really pretty one there, too. It's got brown and dark brown stripes. Hi, Maudie. And kisses. Yeah. Oh, no. I'm not for real. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. You peck my teeth. I only let my parrots peck my teeth. There's Blackie. Hi, Blackie. Now Buffy's pecking at my back. Hey. Yeah. Hey, Blackie. Hey, Sweepy. Hey, Sweepy. Yeah. She's pretty. Pretty girl. Oh, pretty girl. Yeah. Okay. She loves attention. Okay. Video's getting long enough.